Hey guys, what's up? My name is Nick Meadows and I am here on COVERGIRL's YouTube channel for my part 2 of my Pride looks. If you guys did not see the first one, please make sure to go and do that first. It is going to be linked down below. And in the first one I was talking about coming out can be really not easy for a lot of us, and there really is a, it can be a really dark and hard time. So the first look for part 1, I really was embracing the darkness and like finding the beauty in darkness. So for today's look I want to do a little pop of color, and this is kind of embracing the idea of being out and proud and just being yourself. And you guys, I cannot tell you how serious I am when I say that. I know that might seem scary and you think you're gonna lose people, and you might lose some people when you are honest with yourself and when you come out, but those are the people that you don't want in your life. When you do come out and you are honest with yourself and you're happy with yourself, I am not kidding when I say that you're gonna have so much love just flooding in, and you'll be completely just like, you don't even know what to do with all this love, you know. So it's really, I promise that it does get better, and that is you do have so much love and support out there in the world for you. So don't ever forget that, and just be yourself, baby, because life is too short to be anybody else. And love yourself, because it's really hard to expect people to love you if you don't love yourself first. And I know that's easier said than done, but just try it. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then make sure to keep on watching. Okay, so I went ahead and did my face off camera. If you guys want to see how I do that, you can of course watch the first video. It'll be linked down below. But yeah, I'm just going to be focusing on the eyes today. I'm going to be going in first with one of these shadow sticks, and this is in the shade 910. It's kind of like this nice brown. It's like a really nice cool tone brown. They're so creamy. So I just have like just a shading brush of your choice, and I'm just going to put this just right in my crease, and then I'm just going to blend that out right away, because they will dry real quick if you don't. And I'm just using this to kind of create a nice little base. So as you can see, it blends out really nicely and easily. Okay, so now that that is all blended out, I'm going to go ahead and go in with this beautiful blue shade that I saw in the Rain palette. It is so pretty, you guys. This is what this palette looks like, by the way. I love this new packaging. It's super beautiful and different than anything that they've ever done. Also, there is a big mirror in there. But this shade right here, it's called High Life. Oh my goodness, you guys, like, look at that pigment. It's unreal. So I'm just like, I know that I just like need this on my eyes. So that's what's gonna happen. Oh my gosh. Oh, how pretty is this? Okay, seriously, that is so gorge. Oh my goodness. Wow. So, especially for pressed shadows like this, I really like taking my finger, because you're gonna get the maximum amount of pigment, because what you're doing is really using the warmth of your body to really like melt it in case anyone was wondering. So with these, yeah, I have fingers, and then with the matte shades is when you would use a brush. Make sure to really get it on that lash line, because that's a spot that always kind of gets overlooked. So I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so then I'm just going to take that same brush I did before, just kind of blend it out. I'm going for like a big smoky look here, so it can be kind of messy. I'm going to go into the Ascension palette, and I'm going into this matte brown right here called Admiration. Just kidding, I'm going to go into the one called Truffles. And I'm I'm going to use that to just kind of smoke this out a little further. Okay, so that is the base kind of down, blended out. It's super pretty. I really love it, how it's looking already. I kind of want to add like a different color on like the inner corner. I'm thinking maybe this gold one, Honey Maker. Oh my goodness, it is very pigmented. So I'm just gonna take a little like pencil brush, and I've just got it wet with some setting spray, and I'm gonna dip into that Money Maker. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put that right on the inner corner. Yes. This is dope. I love that. What do you guys think? And spraying your brush with setting spray is gonna help lessen the amount of fallout, but it's also going to give you more of a pop. Because especially like areas like this might be a little harder to be using your finger, so it helps to get it wet. Just works a little better. But yeah, these pressed shadows are really stunning. Okay, so next I'm going to take this really pretty purple one, and it's 960. And I'm just going to warm it up in the back of my hand. It's so pretty. And I want to put this on my lower lash line. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Purple is my favorite color. You can totally just like blend it out with your finger. See how quickly and easily that worked? Okay, so I just blended that out real quick, and then what I'm gonna do is dip into the shade Forever Yours. It is this really pretty purple, super gorge, and I'm gonna take that on just like this smudger brush. I'm gonna get that wet as well, just in case. And I'm going to just kind of go right on top of what I just did, and this will just kind of brighten it. It's definitely like a brighter, more neon purple than the other one, but I just kind of use that as like a little base. Like, look how pretty that is. Yes. Okay, and then let's just figure out something to do for the brow bone. I might just do, this one's really pretty. This shade is called Good For You. It's like a shimmery pink. Super pretty. I think that might work really well. So I'm just gonna try that. I'm just gonna dip into an eyeshadow brush and go in with it. This is really gonna help connect and get rid of that weird empty space that usually gets created right here. And it really just helps complete the eye. Okay, and literally eyeshadow is done. Let's throw on some mascara. So I'm going to first go in with their new Exhibitionist Lash Primer. I've been using this like every day. I'm obsessed. The wand is really cool and big, and yeah, it just really helps kind of complete the lash look. This also could be like a cool white eyelash moment. But yeah, so, and I didn't even need to dip in a second time to coat those lashes, so that was cool. So then I'm gonna go in with their mascara that you guys already know, their Exhibitionist mascara. Love this stuff. Alright, you guys, and that is the completed eye look. Pretty simple, nice pops of color. You could totally do this in just like 10 minutes running out of the house. I really like all the colors together too, super fun. So now let's just do the lips. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with the Outlast Custom Nudes, and this is the shade Deep Cool. I am obsessed with these things, you guys already know, especially if you watched the first video. The lip moisturizer is so good, you guys, no kidding. So good, because otherwise your lips are going to be super, like, dried out from, like, just whenever you're wearing, like, liquid lips, you know? So that's something that a lot of people complain about. It literally smells so good too. It's pretty. Alright. That was super simple. These are so good, you guys. I cannot even get over like how good they feel and smell on my lips. I literally can't even. But yeah, oh my gosh, okay, well I think that is the whole look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed creating it. Like I said, it was super simple, as you guys can see. I really love all their new products and really impressed with everything. So yeah, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure to subscribe to their channel if you're not. And make sure to check out my pages as well. Those are all linked down below. Make sure to follow me. If you guys do want to get the chance to be featured on CoverGirl's page, make sure to hashtag your makeup looks with hashtag CoverGirlPride, and then we'll be able to see your stuff. But yeah, make sure to leave some comments down below. I'll definitely be responding to all of them. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you soon. Don't be afraid to just be yourself, loud and proud, and don't ever let somebody tell you that you are less than who you are, because you are beautiful the way you are, okay? So, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video, wherever I see you. Mwah. Bye, guys.